What up guys, Freaknik here. This video we're going to show you how to create a DERO wallet and begin mining to that wallet that you created. It's very straightforward. I'm only making this video because some people wanted it and didn't feel like programming, so I have free time. Alright, so let's get started. So what you're going to want to do is you want to go to the DERO project GitHub, and that's github.com DERO project, and go to DERO He, and you want to select the software that you need. If you're running on Windows, you're going to want this one, ARM, Raspberry Pis and Androids, and then Linux, AMD, FreeBSD, and Mac OS. So I have Linux, AMD 64, so we'll want that one. I've already got this. We'll just go to now that it's been downloaded, you just want to extract the archive, CD to the directory, list of files. So what you're going to see is an Explorer, which is a block Explorer, the Wallet CLI, this is the one we're going to be using right now, and then we're going to be using the miner later. So first thing what you always want to do with command options is list the help. So it'll tell you all the options that the program has, and they can be very useful. It's fun to play around with them. Sometimes you find some cool stuff. So for the most part, you can do remote, and that'll connect to a remote full node hosted by the DERO team. In my case, I have my own full node on math nodes. You're welcome to connect to it as well. So it'll be this. It's dero.mathnodes.com, port 9998. Hit enter. So you'll present with this option. You're going to want to create a wallet. So you want to create a new wallet. So option 2, file name, freak. You can leave it as wallet.db, or you can do freak.db, whatever one. Enter a password. You can use a password manager to generate one, or however you generate your passwords. Choose a language. You'll show the seed phrase, and make sure to save your seed phrase, write it down on a piece of paper, store it in your password manager. Whatever you do, make sure you have a backup copy of it. It's the most important thing in a wallet. It's like the account number and your PIN number to your bank account, but even more important, so make sure you have a copy of that. And then what you're going to want to do, the first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to see this down here when you connect to the node. It's not synced, and it has to sync after registration. So hit 4 and hit enter, and it'll register. Okay, now that we've registered our wallet, you'll see these options here. You'll see that it's fully synced with the full node on math nodes. You'll have a small balance. This will be used in case you have any Atlantis money, DERO coins. You can transfer it over to this wallet, and there'll be a little bit of a fee. That's why they give you some coins, or part of a coin. Display your address, 1. So this is the address we're going to be using to mine to. Okay, now that we got that set up, we're going to want to use the miner. So again, rule of thumb, if you don't know what you're doing, you want to list your help menu. So in this case, there's not too many options for the miner. You're mining threads, so if you have a 4-core CPU with 2 threads per core, you'll have a total of 8 threads, and so on and so forth. So just begin running the miner. You need a daemon to connect to. Like I said, we run a full one, and you're welcome to use it. If you do use it, we get rewards every time you find a block, so thank you if you do use it. DEROMathNodes.com 10100. Mining threads 16. Sorry, I forgot the wallet address. Gotta have that. So enter your own address, the one that you created the wallet with. You'll see these errors. You can ignore them. Once you start seeing this down here, shows the network hash rate, shows your hash rate, and you're fully mining with the new DERO Stargate network. It's pretty elite. I'm really proud of the team there. They did a great job. They worked hard. And it's just great to see this release. It has so many properties and so many nice attributes. It's just, I can't wait to really dive full in and use it. But that's straightforward, and that's how you do it. And I think my next video I'll do will be one on Android. I got a couple phones. I mine on Android. I tried to use the ARM release in DERO Stargate, but for some reason it didn't. The binary didn't work correctly on my Google Pixel 3, so I just compiled it. So what I'll do in the next video is I'll show how to compile it. It's very straightforward, very simple. I mean, it really can't get any easier than what they've done, menu based. Don't be afraid of the command prompt, you know, just don't delete your whole hard drive, which you probably won't. That's stupid, why did I say that? Anyway, it's really straightforward. Don't be afraid of the command prompt or the terminal. It's your friend, really. You can do a lot more stuff than most GUI applications can. So that's it, and enjoy, and make a lot of DEROs.